Welcome to the activity class. Hi kids, what you're seeing in this picture? ABCD. What are you thinking? Yes, you learned all this in your junior senior KG. You all are clever. It's very old topic. But today we will learn something new from ABCD. Let's start today's grammar activity, alphabetical order. Okay, what is alphabetical order? Alphabetical order means indexing method in which names, terms or words are arranged in the same sequence as the letters of the alphabet, that is A to Z. Now let us read what is in this picture. A comes before B. Is it correct? We will see. A, B, C. Yes, A comes before B. Now further we will go on. And F comes before G. Is it correct? Again we will recall alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Yes, it is correct. F comes before G. I will read again. A comes before B and F comes before G when we say the alphabets. In this picture, we can see the border of ABCD or alphabets. From this, we can understand which letter comes before and which letter comes after. For example, J comes before K, N comes before M. Now, let us see how to arrange words in alphabetical order. For example, first tree, T-R-E-E, tree. Second parrot, P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. Third kite, K-I-T-E, kite. Fourth rose, R-O-S-E, rose. Fifth wall, W-A-L-L, wall. Now all these words we had to arrange in alphabetical order. For this we had to see first letter of each word. For example, T, tree. In tree word, T-R-E-E, tree. In this word, T is there. So first letter of tree is T. In second example, parrot. In parrot, first letter is P. In third, kite. In kite, first letter is K. Fourth, rose. First letter is R. Fifth, wall. First letter is W. Now, we will see how to arrange these words. Now, which letter comes first? Now in this word, which are the first letters? T, P, K, R, W. Then which letter comes first? Let's see which letter comes first. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Yes, then which word we have to write? Kite. K-I-T-E, kite. Now, which word comes in second place? Now, start recalling ABCD. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Yes, you are right. In second place, we had to write parrot. Now, let us see third word. Again, we have to recall ABCD. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. Yes, third letter is tree. Third word is tree. Again, we have to recall ABCD for fourth word. A, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. Yes, rose. Now, last word. Again we have to recall ABCD. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. Yes, you are right. You have to write wall. W-A-L-L, wall. Now, we arrange all the words in alphabetical order. I hope you understand how to arrange the words. Now we will see second example. In second example, first word hen, second word nest, third word book, fourth word sun, fifth word pan. In all these, we have to see what is the first letter in the word. In the first word H, in second word N, in third word B, in fourth word S, and fifth word P. So from this we had to arrange in alphabetical order. Now tell me which word we had to write first. Book. Yes, you are right, book. In second place, which word we had to write? Hen. Yes, you are right. And in third place, which word we have to write? Pan. Good. And in fourth place, which word we have to write? Nest. N-E-S-T, nest. And in fifth place, which word we have to write? Sun. Yes, you are right. In this way, we had to arrange the words in alphabetical order. Now, we will see some more examples of alphabetical order. In third example, first word lion, second word goat, third word pig, fourth word ball, fifth word ant. In all these words, what we have to look? First letter. Okay. Now, lion, first letter L. Goat, first letter G. Pig, first letter P. Ball, first letter B. And first letter A. Now, all these words we had to arrange in alphabetical order. So, which word we had to write first? And. Yes, you are right. In second word, which letter we have to write? Ball. Yes, good. In third place, which word we have to write? Goat. Yes, good. In fourth place, which word we have to write? Lion. In fifth place, which word we have to write? Pig. P-I-G, pig. Good. Now, let us see fourth example. Boat. Second word, snail. Third word, hat. Fourth word, car. Fifth word, tail. In all these words, what we have to see? Yes, you are right. First letter. For boat, first letter is B. For snail, first letter is S. For hat, first letter is H. For car, first letter is C. For tail, first letter is T. For all these, we had to arrange in alphabetical order. Let's see which word comes first. Boat. Good. Second word, which word? Come on. Yes, car. Third, yes, you are right. Hat. Fourth, yes, snail. Fifth, last word, come on. Tail. Good. I hope you like the activity and enjoy it. Thank you.